Thank you, Ambassador. Good morning, everyone. On behalf of the Latin American and Caribbean Youth Alliance, as part of the Youth Leadership Working Group, I am grateful for this opportunity, and I welcome the intervention of the Major Group for Children and Youth. It was not easy to prepare a statement for this week's negotiation. Like Elizabeth was saying right now, what are we really talking about when we speak of implementation? Or when we use terms like partnerships, empowerment, participation, investment, a transformative and universal agenda. The overuse of these UN jargon keywords has turned them into buzzwords, emptying them from the meaning. Have you tried explaining what you're doing here to your friends or your family? Do they really understand what is at stake? If we truly want everyone to embrace the new development agenda, it is time to bring it back down to earth. We are not here just to have our ideas recorded. We are here to shape development that will impact all people in our diversity for the next 15 years. Young people are affected the most by our decisions here. We have all heard that it's smart, profitable, and sustainable to invest in the demographic dividend and young people as human capital. However, this investment is not just about money. We must also build capacities, understanding, critical thinking, and leadership of youth organizations and movements. Okay, resources are scarce. When planning the means of implementation and the financing of these goals, inequalities must be addressed, not only among countries, but also within them. There are lots of people living in least developed contexts, even if they don't live in a least developed country. For example, in Latin America's middle-income economies, 1/3 of the population lives in poverty, and there are 2 poor young people for every poor adult aged 55 or more. To guarantee the human right of all is a state responsibility. It cannot be left to the market or to the private sector. Governments around the world must tackle inequality by making social services accessible to everyone, including high-quality and comprehensive education, health, employment, social security, and ICTs. Governments should work together in implementing efficient, progressive, and fair taxation systems for redistributing wealth. Ambassador Kamau, you've just requested solutions from us, but to truly achieve sustainable development, everyone must play their part, South-South and North-South cooperation, both included. Finally, transparency and accountability are required to guarantee a just, rights-based approach to scarce resource allocation. That is what this agenda, its implementation and financing should really be about. You all have today the chance to bring meaning back into your words, turning ideas and compromises into reality. Thank you.